Are you ready to unlock the secrets of earning $10,000 per month with the top 5 high-ticket affiliate marketing programs of 2024? Welcome back again to Passive Income Secrets. This is Ankush Shetty, where I help you through this channel to transform your financial future with the affiliate marketing and passive income tips and strategies. In today's video, I will reveal the most lucrative and private high-ticket affiliate programs that can skyrocket your income and change your life. And this is not something from ClickBank, Zevizu or Wallet Plus. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of high-ticket affiliate marketing. Before we start, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Your support means a lot and help me bring more content ideas to you. And don't forget, stay with me till the end for a special reveal. My #1 affiliate programs that helped me earn over $100,000 in just under 11 months. Alright, let's begin our countdown with the number 5 is the Profit Machine, a revolutionary online business systems that reshaping the world of affiliate marketing. This isn't just another program. It's a gateway to earning potential you have never imagined. The Profit Machine was masterminded by Jonathan Montoya and Thomas Garris, who are renowned in the field of internet marketing. Their expertise has paved the way for a system that simplifies the process of earning money online. What's special about the Profit Machine? It's a done-for-you system. This means you won't have to worry about the complexities of creating products, developing content, or even making sales pitches. Your primary role, simply drive traffic to a well-designed landing page, and I will show you how to do that effectively. Here's how it works. You get a simple landing page, which you are seeing here, which is essentially a web page designed to capture visitors' interest and convert it into action. Your job is to guide potential customers to this page. Once they are there, the systems take over and you can start seeing earning in your bank account. The beauty of this system is its simplicity and efficiency. Now let's talk about numbers. The Profit Machine offers a 7-day trial for just $1, allowing you to test the waters with the minimal risk. After the trial, there's a monthly subscription of $37, and that's not at all. There's also a bump up offer for $27 and an upsell called Supercharge Profit Machine of $247, which unlocks even higher commissions and bonus trainings. As an affiliate, you stand to gain significantly. You earn a 40% of commission on every sale and upgrade. This is a fantastic opportunity to generate a substantial income by promoting a product that practically sells itself. If the Profit Machine sounds like the opportunity you have been waiting for, don't hesitate. Check out the link in the description for more details and to get started. If you are in low budget, then this could be the first step towards transforming your financial future with a system that simplifies success. Next on our list at number 4 is the ClickFunnels affiliate program. ClickFunnels, crafted by marketing guru Russell Brunson, is not just a software. It's a complete toolkit that helps businesses, coaches and entrepreneurs to build and optimize their online marketing, landing pages and sales funnels. The ClickFunnels affiliate program is renowned for its robustness and lucrative payouts. As an affiliate, you get a chance to promote a product that's in high demand across various industries. The program is designed to reward affiliates geniusly for their efforts. It's spreading the word about ClickFunnels. Now let's talk about numbers. As a ClickFunnels affiliate, you earn a 30% recurring commissions each month for every person you sign up for ClickFunnels using your affiliate link. This applies to both their $97 and $297 membership levels. Imagine the earning potential if you can get a numbers of subscribers on board. And there's more. ClickFunnels offers an exciting incentive, the Dream Car Contest. If you successfully get 100 active ClickFunnels members through your affiliate link, you qualify for this contest. Here's the cool part. ClickFunnels will send you $500 every month towards the lease of your dream car as long as those 100 members stay active. That's right, your dream car sponsored by your affiliate marketing efforts. And also, as an affiliate, you're not limited to promoting just the ClickFunnels software. You can also promote their in-depth training program. For this, you can earn a 40% commission on the packaging price, which means potential earning of up to $798 or $1,198 per sale. If you're ready to join the ClickFunnels affiliate family and start your journey towards significant earnings and maybe even your dream car, It's an opportunity that combines earning potential with education growth. If you're interested, check out the ClickFunnels 14-day free trial through the link below in the description. Start sharing it with your network and watch your affiliate income grow. Join the ClickFunnels affiliate program today and take the first step towards achieving your financial and lifetime goals. And next, ranked at number 3, we have Legendary Marketer, an extensive online training platform created by David Sharp. This program is recognized for its comprehensive approach to digital marketing education tailored to assist aspiring digital entrepreneurs. Legendary Marketer stand out for its wide range of learning materials catering to different levels of expertise. David Sharp, the brain behind Legendary Marketer, is a respected figure in the digital marketing world. With his experience and expertise, he has crafted a platform that not only educates but also empowers individuals to achieve success in the digital space. Legendary Marketer offers a variety of learning materials including digital courses, ebooks, personalized coachings, support groups, and even live network events. These resources are designed to cater to all levels of marketers, from beginners to advanced. Whether you are just starting out or looking to refine your skills, Legendary Marketer has something valuable to offer. The program primarily targets complete beginners as well as lower intermediate and intermediate marketers. It aims to teach the core concepts behind successful internet businesses, enabling learners to grow and establish their own digital ventures. One of the most popular offerings of Legendary Marketer is the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, available for just $7. This program includes a series of video lessons where David Sharp personally teaches fundamental business concepts. It's designed as an intensive deep dive into setting up, structuring, and launching a digital businesses. In the 15-day challenge, David covers essential topics such as building sales funnels, understanding value ladders, creating multiple income streams, and mastering lead generation. The challenge is loaded with information and insights. As an affiliate, promoting this challenge can be highly rewarding, as you can earn over $1,000 per referral if someone opts for an upgrade under your link. Legendary Marketer is not just a course. It's a full-fledged digital marketing education hub. It's an ideal starting point for those who want to grasp the essential of online business and marketing. With its comprehensive content and potential for high affiliate earnings, Legendary Marketer is a valuable program for anyone serious about digital entrepreneurship. And now, at the runner-up spot, number 2 on our list is the Freedom Accelerator course by Jonathan Montoya. This program is designed for those aspiring to break free from the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job and step into a world of online entrepreneurship. Jonathan Montoya, a successful 6-figure internet entrepreneur, has crafted this course to be user-friendly and highly effective. The Freedom Accelerator course aims to provide individuals with the tools and strategies necessary to create a consistent passive income stream from the comfort of their homes. It's designed for those who dream of a life filled with the time freedom, geographical independence, and financial abundance. This course is an excellent fit for anyone looking to establish multiple streams of passive income, particularly those without prior experience or technical expertise. Jonathan's approach focuses on leveraging trending strategies, including the use of short-form videos, to drive significant traffic to sales funnels. Freedom Accelerator offers 2 main products. The first one is an entry-level challenge priced at just $9, that is 72 hours challenge, teaches you how to clone Jonathan Montoya's 7-figure online business model requiring minimal technical skills or experience. Then the second is the main core offer is the Freedom Accelerator course, which is the main core offer, priced at $1,497. This course provides an in-depth 4-page process that guides you from zero to potential earning of $100,000 or more per month. As an affiliate, promoting the Freedom Accelerator course is highly rewarding. You can earn a 40% commission on every referral, making it a lucrative opportunity for those in the affiliate marketing space. The Freedom Accelerator course isn't just about learning, it's about transforming your life. With Jonathan Montoya's expert guidance, you can build an online business that offers freedom and financial independence. If you're ready to bid farewell to the 9-to-5 and embrace a new way of living, this course could be your first step to success. If you're ready to kickstart your journey towards financial freedom, check out the link below for more information on the Freedom Accelerator course and take the first step towards building your own online empire. Don't miss chance to change your life. Get started today. Alright everyone, this is the moment you have been eagerly waiting for. I'm about to unveil the top spot on my list, the crown jewel of affiliate programs that helped me make my first $100,000 in just under 11 months. If you have found value in our journey so far and haven't already, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification to not miss out on future revelations like this one. Ready? Let's dive into the number one program that transformed my financial future, the Elite Income Empire by Wealth Warriors. The Elite Income Empire is not just another affiliate marketing course. It's a revolutionary approach to earning online, designed by the visionary duo Daniel Chow and Nathan Bokers. They specialized in helping people go from zero to earning $10,000 per month in just 90 days or less, using nothing but a simple social media profile. And the best part, no need for a product, no need for a website or sell anything by yourself. This program is the epitome of high-ticket affiliate marketing. It's designed for those who dream of a location-independent business, crave multiple streams of passive income, and aspire to build a real-deal internet business generating consistent income. And if you're already owning a business, they help you to grow that business to 5 and even 6-figure online. The Elite Income Empire empowers you to do just that with hands-on guidance every step of the way. Elite Income Empire by Wealth Warriors offer a two-tiered system to catapult your success. It starts with the 3-day affiliate battle plan challenge, an entry-level program at just $17. Here's they reveal a step-by-step system that been helping their students earn over $1,000 to $5,000 per day in semi-autopilot mode. This challenge is your gateway to their main high-ticket offer, an invitation and application based program known as Elite Income Empire. It's a group coaching program where the Wealth Warriors team personally helps you build and scale your online business. With Elite Income Empire, everything you need is provided, from sales to content ideas, funnel building, email marketing and lead generation. It's all done for you. The program offers an automated sales system, comprehensive training and live weekly coaching sessions, ensuring you are never left to figure things out alone. This program is the exact pathway I used to earn my first $100,000 in just under 11 months. And the Wealth Warriors are so confident in their system that they offer a bold guarantee. If you don't achieve $10,000 per month in 90 days while actively following their guidance, they will compassionate you for your effort. That's how certain they are of their program's effectiveness. If you're ready to transform your life and income just like I did and want to learn how you can go from zero to $10,000 per month in 90 days or less, then don't miss the free webinar by Wealth Warriors. The link in the description below. Check it out and take the first step towards your financial freedom today with the Elite Income Empire. And if you want more detailed review video about Elite Income Empire by Wealth Warriors, you can check that out in the I button. And there you have it guys. Those are the top 5 affiliate programs you should be promoting in 2024. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to Passive Income Secrets for more amazing content like this. Until next time, happy learning and happy earning. Let's go.